Hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Favour. You're number one. Don't mind me, I'm just hyping myself. Today I'm actually happy because a friend of mine and a colleague of mine just got monetized, and I'm happy for her. At Gracious Tales. So please, if you're not following, please just rush over there. Just type at Gracious Tales. You'll see her. Gracious Tales. So just rush up to the page, subscribe, like her videos and all that. And she has so many fun videos you could actually watch. So today I'm feeling myself. I think on this look of mine I should add up a little gloss because so lovely. If you want to know how I got this look, you're so interested in knowing how I got this look, so just don't go anywhere, fasten your seatbelt. And if this is your first time on my channel, please click the like and subscribe button down below so you could see more of my videos. And I'm feeling myself. This is so lovely. So just hang in there, let me go show you how we made this look. How I made this look happen. So please don't mind my serious look. First, I had to go in with my face primer. I've already moisturized my face earlier. Then I had to spray my face, then allow it to dry up. Why I do this is so that my makeup could last me throughout the day, especially when I'm going under the sun, so I don't break out. So then I go with my foundation, try to spread the product all over my face evenly. Then I go on with my brush. I didn't use my beauty blender today. I wanted to see how the brush was going to go, and it came out well, which you're going to see at the end of the video. So stay with me. I try to make the video as fast as possible so I don't bore you to death. So don't mind me. So try to spread the products and push it into your skin so you don't get to break out during the day or when you sweat or when you go under the sun, which is what I'm trying to show you. Keep spreading the product. Keep spreading the product. Then I go in with my contour. I try to put it on my face because of my forehead. Because whenever I do, it gives me this, like, it brings out this definition on my face. So I would love you to try it one of these days. So I will also go in with my concealer, or some people call it highlighter. So I go in with my concealer to help me highlight my face so that my face will have that definition that it needs. So then I try to blend out my contour first. See, there are so many ways around this, so many ways which you can have your makeup done. As you can see, I didn't do my eyeshadow first. I didn't put my lashes on. Some people might try to put their lashes on, their eyeshadow, but now I wanted to concentrate on my face first. That's why my makeup is looking pale. Yes, that I call it pale because it don't have much colors on till I'm done blending out. So I'm trying to blend out my contour. These points you have to be very, very careful because if you don't blend out well, you have dark edges. So as I'm using the brush, if it's a beauty blender, I prefer the beauty blender though, but the brush worked more than I expected. So I'm trying to contour my nose to have that tiny look on my nose, tiny definition on my look, on my finished look. So I'm still trying to blend out, try to blend out as much as you can. So now I actually got out all the products behind my hands. Sorry I couldn't show you earlier. But so I had to add some products on my face, some concealers to the place I felt needed it so that my face could pop out at the end of the day. So I'm still trying to blend out the concealer, or you can call it highlighter. But what I used to highlight my face was LA Girl, a highlighter of my shade. So you can use any concealer of your choice depending on the one you love or the one you're using actually. But one unique thing about this look is that I didn't bake my face at the end of the day. So it was only my concealer and my contour that I used. Then I had to finish up with my powder rather. So you could try this look. You don't need to bake your face. You don't need a loose powder on this look. You don't need to bake your face on this look. This look is just to give you that plain look that you need to go for your everyday work or everyday business, just to have that perfect look that you want without being so heavy or so thick. Because I know if I had to bake my face, it could pop out more than this. It will pop up more than this, but this is just a plain look that I had to do. I had to show you. So I'm still trying to contour my nose. I had to add product to my contour so that my nose can have that definition, look longer, thinner, and all that. So now I'll have to do my eyeshadow. So I didn't know what I was doing there. I was trying to play with my colors. So I went in with that particular color. I think that's a reddish brown, like an horse blue. I don't know what to call it, but I was just playing around, playing around. I knew I was going to arrive at something. So first I had to go in with this red, then try to blend it out, make it even on my. That's another thing. One thing with eyeshadow is that when you play with it, try to blend it out. Try to make it blend and look unique. Don't let the don't let the separation show. So now I had to go in with my deep brown. I was still playing with the colors then. I used the deep brown to, see what it will get me to. So I kept on playing and playing and playing around. So I just had to go in with my concealer. I said, let me try it out. Use my concealer as a primer because I wanted to add another product to add to my eyeshadow. So I tried to use my concealer as my primer. So I just had to spread the concealer at that part of my eye. So blend it in. Then I had to go in with that color. That's the deep gold, yellowish gold. I had to go in with it. So now I hope you're seeing the magic. Mind you, please, this is the color. I'm trying to play with this color. So just having thoughts in my head, trying to bring it to life. So I'm still trying to put the product, press it in. So I'm still pressing it in. So these ones I took now, I use it to blend it because I didn't want the separation to show. So I had to use the earlier colors I used to blend the demarcation. So I had to blend it so it will look good. Please try to blend out your eyeshadows whenever you try them, especially when you're putting multiple colors. So people don't know where your edges are. So try to blend it out. So I used that color. This color I just picked now. I just used to make that area under my eyebrow look a bit natural, like so it could blend in with the colors I've already applied because earlier it was looking different. So I had to use that color to blend it out. So now I'm going with my eyeliner. I wasn't initially going to use an eyeliner. I just wanted to play with something. So I had to put a little bit. It wasn't that defined. It was just a little. I just use it as a base so I can put on my lashes. So still trying to go in with it. Still trying to go in with it. Little. I didn't want the eyeliner to be much on me because that was not the initial plan. I just did something calm and natural. That was why I didn't put a lot of eyeliner or I didn't make it more defined. So now I just had to go in with my eyelashes. So I'm using my hand. If you notice today, throughout today's video, I had to use my hand for most of the products. Yes, because let's forget about maybe what we do outside. In your home, when you're trying to prep, most of us use our hand. You can just try to get something and you don't get a brush and it's not close. So I just give you that so you have that confidence on how to use your hands. Most time you might not have the right tool or the right brush to use. So you just be contemplating or thinking of what to use. Just try to use your hand. It's your face. There's no big deal. It's you. The finishing is what matters. The end product is what matters. So I had to use my mascara to blend in my eyelash so that my natural lash will be of the same color with the eyelash, because the fake lash, yes, because I have a brown eyelash. So now I had to go in with my bronzer. That product was so much, just so much, but I knew I was going to calm it down. Yes, I was going to calm it down. I was freaking out. I was going to calm it down. So I had to go in with my brush. Then I used my powder palette. Had to pick some product. So I used to cover it up, press it in. So it doesn't really pop out, as you can see. So it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. So now I had to put a little bit of the bronzer on top of my nose so that I don't just know, I was just playing with it. So it to be more defined. Then the remaining product I had to use it for under my eyebrows, so it won't be a waste. So I had to use it under there. So if you can see, it's got that place a bit shiny and attractive. hmm One, my product didn't go to waste. I had to use it there. You mustn't use it though, but I wanted to put it in somewhere. I needed to put it in somewhere so it doesn't waste. You can see the finishing product. So I'm still trying to blend it out. Remember, the key is to blend everything you're doing. Try to blend it out. Then here I had to go in with my eyeliner. It's a white shade from LA Girl. I had to go in with my eyeliner, at least to give my eye a different pop out look, because my eyeshadow is not that loud. So I just had to have this white on the eye. Blinking. Don't mind me. I didn't want to mess with that baby eye. So now I had to go on to my lip. First of all, I used my lip gloss. Just use it as a moisturizer to moisturize my lip. I love this lip gloss because even without a lipstick, it gives my lip that pop out, like looking so reddish. But it's a clear lip gloss. It has nothing on. So I had to go in with my red lip liner because I was going to add the brown. This is LA from LA Girl, because I was going to add the brown, but the red was just as a base before I add my other lip liner. That's the brown, still from LA Girl. So the thing was, me adding the both of them was to give me that clear definition, like give me that pop out look. See the thing I told you about the lip gloss, even without a lipstick my lip was already popping. And you can see the curve I'm trying to give there. At least I've tried to create that illusion to make my lip look bigger than it usually is. So that's why I'm trying to create that curve on top of my lip, as you can see, which you seen right now. Still trying to go in with my lip liner, covering the red which I applied earlier to give me that deep brown look. That was why I added the red. Isn't that lovely? Even with I've not added the lipstick. So now I had to go in with my nude lipstick. So to go on with my initial plan, because I know I wasn't going to use only lip gloss. So beautiful. At this point I was feeling myself. Yeah. trying to put that all in, get a blended look. So lovely, this is the final look. I hope you love it as much as I love it. So it's the bold lip for me. Like I got my lip bigger, like I made it look bigger, but my lip is the same way. So yeah, so I would love you to try out this tutorial, and I hope you love it as much as I love it. Love you guys. Bye. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time of being here. So like, comment, share, especially comments, because I'll be at the comment section to reply to all your messages. Love you.